Well, lads, when's the fucking pubs open? Can anyone tell me?
Lads, I heard it was your man that was open now.
Dirty bollocks, yeah. Oh, jokes aside, lads. When are the fucking open? I fucking love pubs. I love them. Hey! The thought of it's making me hard. It's mad we have to meet in the field to talk about a fucking pub. I'm fucking ripping. What the fuck are you wearing a skirt for? Ha! I'm glad you noticed. It's a funny story. If you have time to listen. I had to wear a fucking dress because the washing machine's fucking broken. And of course, and Curry's, and no place is fucking open to buy a new machine. So what the fuck do you do there? Huh? Exactly. I'm fucked. Now me balls are gonna fall off. You're all wearing dresses. So don't be judging a man. This bunch of cunts. I think these all have a broken washing machine.
It's broken as fucking yesterday. What the fuck?
No problems. No washing machines. Very bad. Yeah, that is correct. Yeah. Everything else. And I'll tell you what. My face is just a representation of what me balls look like. And that's no word of a fucking lie! For fuck's sake! They're fucking blue! Look at them! Look at them for yourself! Look! Are you looking? Don't stop looking! Keep looking! Well, open the pub! Open the bar!
Open the fucking pub!